Alright folks, in today's video, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the latest addition to the budget smartphone segment, the Redmi 13C packed with features that punch well above its price point. The Redmi 13C is poised to redefine what users can expect from an affordable smartphone. Let's dive into what makes this device stand out. The Redmi 13C has garnered attention for its stylish appearance and impressive display features. Available in eye-catching rainbow star yarn and sleek star rock black colors, this device boasts a sizable 6.74-inch LCD screen. What sets it apart is its support for a 90Hz refresh rate and an impressive 180Hz touch sampling rate, ensuring smooth and responsive interactions for users. Notably, it has obtained Rhineland Software Level Low Blue Light certification and Rhineland Flicker-Free certification, prioritizing user comfort and eye health. While the resolution of the Chinese version remains undisclosed, the global variant boasts a display resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. It's yet to be confirmed whether there will be any deviation in the display resolution for the Chinese market, leaving enthusiasts eager for more details. Beneath the surface, the Redmi 13C is powered by the robust Dimensity 6100 Plus processor, utilizing a cutting-edge 6nm process. This ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks and multitasking needs. Fueling the device is a substantial 5000 mAh battery, offering an impressive 5G standby time of 17 days and a talk time of 30 hours. However, charging capabilities are limited to 18 watt, a trade-off expected in mid-range smartphones. In the camera department, the Redmi 13C excels with its 50 megapixels main camera, equipped with features like night scene mode, portrait mode, and HDR mode. The inclusion of Xiaomi imaging brain technology enhances camera performance, resulting in faster startup speeds and improved shooting capabilities. Users can expect a 24.4% increase in camera startup speed, a 55.3% boost in rear portrait shooting speed, and a 55.7% improvement in night scene shooting speed. Additional features include support for a 3.5mm headphone jack, side fingerprint recognition for enhanced security, and 5G dual SIM dual standby functionality. Moreover, users have the convenience of expanding storage up to 1TB, catering to their growing multimedia needs. While initially available in select regions across Africa and the Middle East, the company has now announced the commencement of sales for this mobile phone in China. Xiaomi, the parent company of Redmi, disclosed that the Redmi 13C is now up for pre-sale on their official Xiaomi Mall platform and JD.com, one of China's leading online retailers. Priced at 749 yuan or $106, the device is set to hit the shelves officially on December 30th, scheduled for 10 o'clock Chinese time. Overall, the Redmi 13C strikes a balance between style, performance, and affordability, making it a compelling choice for users seeking a feature-packed mid-range smartphone experience. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the points discussed in this video, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Your feedback is valuable to me, and I'll do my best to address any inquiries you may have. Once again, thank you for your time and attention. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Take care.